This first look video is a follow-up to the previous video which showed Fusion using two optical distance sensors to follow a line. We use the same physical setup with this robot, except that we have a different line follow routine, and we introduce a new else-if command in Blocky. In this case, the two optical distance sensors on port A1 and A0, if they both occur together to see white, we have a high speed forward. If one of the other of A1 and A2 sees a different value, in other words, one of them sees a black line, they correct, and that is the second and third lines of this. And in the fourth line, we in fact have a low speed, which will show us that, hey, something is wrong. We're off the line, we're seeing black with both lines. The main program is very straightforward and simple. All it does is call the line follow function. When we combine both the function and the main program together, this is the complete program that we all use. And to see how this works, let's take a look at Fusion running this particular program.